Hi viewers, welcome to my video that's related to high return mutual fund. Okay, there is a three types of mutual fund I have categorically given. Like one is called as a Nippon India mutual fund, and another one is called as an ICICI Prudential mutual fund, and third is called as a Mirae Asset mutual fund. Okay, and in this Nippon India, it is a Nippon India small cap fund. You will be seeing the detail in the next page, and their 1 year return was 55.91 and 3 year return was 33.21. And this is like ICICI Prudential blue chip fund. This 1 year return was 40.9 11 percentage, and 3 year return was 22.51 percentage. And next is Mirae Asset large and mid cap fund. Their 1 year return was like 40.91 percentage, and 3 year return was 19.30 percentage. And next you else things about Nippon India Small Cap Fund. Small cap funds are like a high risk fund and high volatility mutual fund. It will give a high returns while comparing to the large cap and other, and it will come down also when the market crashes. This also will come down very fastly. That is called as a small cap fund, which is having a high beta value and high volatility. As I told earlier, see this NAV value is of the particular one small cap fund rate is like 177.48 rupees. It keeps on changes based on the market volatility. And since inception means the fund when it is started, it was like a 2010 it was started. From there onwards it was given 22.79 percentage return. It's like a till 2024. And next you can see their 1 year return. Their 1 year return was 55.91 percentage, and 3 year return was 33.21 percentage. These are the top 10 holdings. They are totally investing in 215 stocks, and these are their top 10 holdings. One is in HDFC Bank Tube Investment India Limited. It is a part of Murugappa Group and Kirloskar Brothers. And Volt Am Transformers, this is giving a, you can check this particular share, it was in great multi-bagger stocks. And Upper Industries and Tiger and Tejas Network and BHEL and Multi Commodity Exchange. And next is like they are invested in State Bank of India. Okay, these are their category, how much they have invested. Okay, their fund size is like you can see the fund details. Fund size is 56.488 crore, and their expense ratio is the price you are giving to your mutual fund managers. Okay, it keeps on changes like year on year percentage. Before 10 years if you are taking, this expense ratio might be 1 to 1.5 percentage. Now I have checked the detail, it was 0.63 percentage. And their exit load you want to pay, if you are withdrawing this within 24 months, it's like a 1% exit load you want to pay it, and 2% if you are withdrawing in 12 months. Okay, and expense ratio what I told, it keep on varying on year. And the minimum SIP amount is like a 100 rupees, and maximum SIP is like a 50,000 rupees you can invest on monthly basis. Okay, SIP example, if you have invested this fund 5 lakhs for the 5 years, I'm telling 5,000 for the month of age every month. If you are investing for the first 5 years, okay, your investment will be like 3 lakhs, and your return will be like 7 lakh 55,000. So your return last 5 years like 3 lakh 55,000 will be your profit. Okay, and if you take there is a two types of tax was there. Now government bought it. One is called as a long term capital gains tax, that is like a 12.5 percentage they are charging. And another one is short term capital gain tax, that if you are selling your product or mutual fund within a 1 year of time, the interest charge is like 20 percentage. And next you can go and fund, that is called as an ICICI blue chip fund. Okay, their top 10 holding is from 215 stocks, and since inception it was 17.79 percentage. 1 year return was 40.11, and 3 year return was 22.51, and their net asset value of one mutual fund cost is like 107.30. These are the top 10 holdings they are investing. One is in ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries and Lazar and Turbo, HDFC Bank, Maruti Suzuki, Axis, Infosys, Airtel, Ultratech, and next is from Sun Pharma. And you can see the fund details. Fund is like having a good fund size, that is a 59,364 crore, and minimum SIP is 100 rupees and maximum SIP is 50,000 rupees. Okay, And the same what I'm telling, like if you invest 5 years 5,000 rupees, your 3 lakhs will become as a 5 lakhs 64,000, and their expense ratio is 0.87 percentage. Okay, this expense ratio is that you are paying to the mutual fund manager for holding your amount, but it keeps on varying, like 1 percentage, 0.87, 0.6, and 1.2, 1.4. This or keeps on changing. And the next, you can see the next called as an Mirae Asset large and mid cap mutual fund. Okay, this the same thing. Inception it was 23.92 percentage. It was given a good return, and 1 year return was like 40.99 percentage, and 3 year return was 19.30 percentage, and their NAV, that's called as a net asset value, is of 168.43 percentage. And their top 10 holdings, and you can see that is called as a large cap and mid cap combination fund, and they are investing in 89 stock. These are the top 10 categories of which are the companies they invested: HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Lazarus Turbo, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, Bharat Forge, Prestige Estate, and NTPC. Okay, they are mainly investing. You can see here in the top 10, four are coming from financial sectors. Okay, they are mainly focusing on financial sectors, and their fund size is 37,846 crore. Minimum SIP is not 100. Here it is 500 to 50,000 rupees. If you invest 5,000 rupees for 5 years, the 3 lakhs will generate into 5 like 74,000, and their expense ratio is 0.87 percentage. These are three good mutual fund, but in case if you want to do analysis of the particular fund, you can do the analysis on your own and before investing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Thank you.